What's good, y'all? You back with Streets, Freestyle Cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, I hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. And of course, I got another great recipe to share with y'all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If this is your first time coming through, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest recipe videos, y'all. You dig? We get it down here, freestyle cooking. You'll absolutely love these recipes. Alright, so let's get it in. Alright, so today, y'all, we're going to do my shrimp and sausage polenta. Okay, real simple, kind of like some shrimp and grits, because you know polenta is like a cousin to grits, if you would say. You feel me? If you never tried polenta, gotta try it. Got some videos that I've used polenta. I just love it because you could use it with anything. You could do anything with it. It takes on the flavor whatever you cook, and it's a real simple recipe, y'all. Something I was in the mood for. Real easy. Had to share with y'all. Had to bring it in, man. You know, get y'all a video, man. You dig me? So let's go. So I got the basic ingredients we got to start with right here on the board. Okay. Obviously, I got me some shrimp, peeled, clean, ready to go. Got me some sausage. I got some different sausage in here. I got like a buffalo chicken sausage, a regular sausage, because that's what I had. But you can use any kind of sausage you want. Of course, we got the polenta. I got some chopped garlic. I also got some chopped bell peppers. And I got me some shallots. And I also got me some sun-dried tomatoes, y'all. Alright? We about to get it in, man. Let's do it! Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to get your pan out ready. This is real fast. Not going to take long at all. You want to get your pan hot. About 2 tablespoons of oil. Get that mixed up in there. Okay. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add our garlic. And you want this on a medium high, y'all. You don't want to burn your garlic. And we'll just go ahead, stir the garlic around, get that incorporated with the oil for about 30 seconds. Next, I want to go ahead and drop in my shallots. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. I just love that smell of the garlic and the shallots together, popping. Alright. And I'm going to just get these incorporated for about another minute. Alright. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my sausage. All smelling good already. Get that stirred in. Now I want to go ahead and add some salt and pepper. About a teaspoon of salt. About a 1/4 teaspoon of some cracked black pepper. And I'm going to add some of my Creole seasoning, whatever kind you got, it's good to go. Okay, maybe about a teaspoon. And every time I share these recipes with y'all, you know, depending on how many people you're cooking for, you would adjust your season accordingly. Now this sausage doesn't take long to cook. Maybe about 3 or 4 minutes on the medium high. Alright, so get everything stirred in and let this flow for a minute. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and throw in some thyme, some fresh thyme and some fresh rosemary, just a sprig or 2. And I just want those flavors in there. this is smelling good, y'all. Alright. Gonna let that rock out for another 2 minutes. Alright, y'all, it's been about 3 or 4 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and take my sauces out. I'm gonna go ahead and pick out my sprigs of rosemary and thyme that I can see. Alright, let's get the sausage up out the pan, y'all. Alright, now after I got my sausage up out the pan, I'm gonna go ahead and add my peppers. Now you just want to add a tad bit more oil if you need some. I want to just go ahead and stir these around for about a minute. Alright. Now halfway through my minute of cooking my peppers, you chop up your sun-dried tomatoes, add them in. Alright, next you want to drop in your sun-dried tomatoes. As you can see, I chopped mine up, so you want to chop them up. Oh yeah, coming together, y'all. Real easy, real simple. Bringing it to y'all. You know how I do, freestyle cooking. And this is the kind of recipe that you can really go with all kinds of different veggies if you want to add to this. It's very versatile, y'all. Alright, so we're gonna let this rock out for another, finish the peppers on that minute at maybe an extra 30 seconds because of the sun-dried tomatoes. Alright, now my peppers is ready to go. Sun-dried tomatoes ready to go. I'm gonna add that to my bowl of sausage and mix it all up. Boom, there we go. We got the peppers and the sausage and the sun-dried tomatoes mixed up. Let's set that to the side. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is I want to throw in some tablespoons of butter. Alright, still got it on a medium heat now. You want to get your shrimp ready. Now I had cooked my shrimp. I had seasoned my shrimp with my seafood seasoning. You can use whatever kind of seafood seasoning you have. Old Bay seasoning, whatever kind of seafood seasoning you like. Hook it up. Once your butter is mostly melted, go ahead and get your shrimp in there. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that shrimp, y'all. Oh yeah, look at that, man. Ready to go. Get that up in a bowl. Alright. I also cook these with the tail on. You know, for my presentation purposes, easy to grab purposes. You dig? But you don't have to. Right, shrimp ready to go. Alright, next y'all, got my pot out. Started adding some stock. Getting our polenta ready. So I'm going to add 3 cups of chicken stock. And next, I'm going to add a cup of heavy cream. Right, and now you want to just bring that to a boil. Now that it's come to a boil, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 cup of my polenta. And this polenta you can get in your local market. Okay, if you get the ground cornmeal, you got to cook it a little longer. I like to get this bag because it doesn't take that long, just a few minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and stir that in as I pour it in. Alright, and you want to just stir it in so it starts to go to the consistency you want. You don't have to stand here and stir it. Once you get it incorporated in so we don't got no lumps, that's why I'm using the whisk. We're just going to keep stirring it every few minutes, every 5 minutes. until we get it to the consistency we want. Alright, you guys, I pretty much got it to the consistency I want. So now I'm going to add a little salt and pepper. Next, I'm going to add me a little bit of hot sauce to give me a little bit of heat on the back end. Not too much to overpower it. And next, I want to add some Parmesan cheese. Go ahead and stir that in and get it all incorporated, y'all. And we done, man. We there. We almost at the finish line. And when you got your polenta like this, I mean, you can really add anything. You can add vegetables. You can add spices. You can add sauces. You can add whatever you want. Polenta is just so versatile, universal. That's why I love it. Alright, y'all, we at that moment, we at that point, the plate up time. I got the polenta at the consistency I wanted. Let's go ahead and get my polenta up in there. Yeah, y'all, that's what I'm talking about. And you want your polenta at the consistency you want it. You want it creamy, you want it harder, you know, however you want it. Do your thing. You feel me? Now we're going to get some sauces on there. Oh, yeah. This is coming together nice. Alright, let's get my shrimp on there. Like I said, I got the tail on. Add my shrimp. Maybe one more for good measure. Gonna garnish it with some fresh parsley. And there we go, y'all. We got our sauces, shrimp, and polenta popping off. Real easy recipe, y'all. Just had to share it with y'all. Something real quick. Eat it any time of the day. Real quick, real fast. Just, you know, had a little bit of time off. Had to come back, get y'all something. Pull something out the clip, give it to y'all. You feel me? That's how we do, y'all. Oh, yeah. You dig me? So please subscribe, like, share. Hit that notification bell, you know, comment. Let me know if y'all tried it. Let me know what's popping. And y'all know how I do, man. About to go in. Holla.